The health of the citizens of our country is a collective responsibility. Those in government, those in the opposition.
Tigai negene ninyu mwahitukirie watho wa kurimira urutithania wa wira gatagati ga thirikari ya Kenya na America.
The House approved the ratification of the agreement on the 9th of February 2017.
Nite twetuthuria njukiriria thiini wa bunge ya bururi. Ambunge makienda kumenya kiria kiratuma thirikari yage kuhe gutwa Kenya aria mathiite na mbere na kuregana na waki wa ceceni ya guthaitira raia bururi wa America mwena wa Laikipia.
The government and the people of United States through the US government health program has provided close to $8 billion.
And common sense will dictate that if this disease starts in a particular place, it will be natural that you just contain it where it has started.
Kenyans have spoken in one voice. We do not want that facility of Ebola here in Kenya. Please listen to the Kenyan voices. And Honorable Speaker, as the CS is here, the CS should actually bite himself and the obligations to what the Kenyans are looking forward to.
Ambunge ni macokeirie Minista UIGIRITE wa kugitira Kenya kumana na mogwati ma mirimu makiuga watho uyu ndwaririirie uhoro wigie gwaka ceceni ya Ebola.
The minister cannot fail to respond to the words of the Secretary of State in saying that the United States will not allow Ebola-infected patients into their borders, because that is the issue that Kenyans are talking about.
Laikipia Abyss is one of the 23 quarantine isolation centers we are building, and we will not stop it. Why we are building? We are building in the airbase, far from even. And there are a number of reasons why. The runway in Laikipia is one of the longest runway. That is where we have KDF medical team.
We didn't see the US come out, the way they have come out now, to construct a corona isolation center or a center to help the corona people who are infected by corona in Laikipia or anywhere in this country.
Ona kuri uguo Duale ni ateteire ikinya ria thirikari akiuga thirikari ni kwihariria rehariria niguo ndikanahuvanirio itari maitho murimu uyu ungikahura huti bururi-ini.
Under the Public Health Act, we don't need to do public participation. We are not going to consult citizens. Even members of parliament here, when they fall sick, they rush to their doctor to make sure they get the best treatment. So this epidemic does not require any consultation.
Ni ateterithirie ambunge iguru ria wiathi witu ta bururi akiuga bururi wa Kenya niguo rikoragwo na uramati na hinya wothe iguru ria ceceni ici irio igite kwina ingi 23 miena itiganite ya bururi.
Should any of those 450 of our officers, our sons and daughters in DRC, God forbid, catch the Ebola virus, where shall we take them? Do we take them to America?
Is the honorable member in order to imply that the United States of America is irresponsible by not setting up their own facilities in America, because Kenya is responsible setting up one in Kenya? Are you in order implying that America is responsible by not setting up in their own country when they are a superpower and we are a minion power? Even Honorable Buru is still looking for power.
International cooperation does not mean surrender of our national authority and sovereignty.
Hadini Hakameme TV. Jitagwo Maina. Kehumo.